Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing a vlog, cooking vlog, and y'all gonna come with me grocery shopping again, like always. But I'm just letting the car cool down. I gotta go to Wegmans. I was gonna go to Target and try to get that blueberry Chobani creamer, but I'm gonna just wait till I know for sure that they have it in there because they keep just every time I go, they never have what I want. So I need the freak tripod already for this car because it's irritating at this point. But I don't know what I'm gonna make today. We'll see. Oh, that's dangerous. I gotta grab y'all while I'm driving because clearly I don't have what I need. So, but I think I'm gonna make sirloin steak with white rice, black beans, gallo, and then on the side I'm gonna make baked mac and cheese. So I'm gonna try to record everything. But right now, so y'all coming with me, and then I'm gonna do the cooking. I'm gonna try to make it like I'm gonna try to record everything, but also make it not too long, if that makes sense. Because I don't like when my videos be too long. This nigga's beastin', not even this nigga, this female, this little hoe. I'm sorry, y'all. I just get aggravated because I can't stand humans. By the way, y'all, I'm trying to embrace my natural curls. I get tired of flat ironing it and all that, so I'm trying to get used to leaving it curly. This time I didn't like curl it, fake curls. This is my actual curls. I just put gel in it. I put a leave-in conditioner and then I put gel. Hurry up, because I don't got all day. Do another one. But yeah, gotta be careful how I turn here. But I try not to... I just tried to stick to my natural curls and I just don't like that. Sometimes it look dry. So that's why I put that gel. That gel I feel like makes it shiny in a way. I feel like it makes it shiny. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Alright guys, so I actually didn't tell y'all what I was getting. I told y'all what I was making, but I gotta go through the list. Hello. If I don't know your number, I'm not picking up. Sorry. Whoever you are. I don't pick up numbers I don't know. So, but anyways, list. We have mayonnaise, syrup, Alani cherry, get to it, milk, rice, chicken cutlets, steak, platanos, onions, 2 of them, pico de gallo stuff, jalapenos, juice, halos, chicken, my dog, black beans, mojito, juice, cucumbers, stuff for the Big Mac, half and half, butter, block cheese, sour cream, water, diapers, wipes. So that's what we're getting. I've just been so lazy today. I'm tired. I'm about to block numbers I don't have saved. I'm about to block so they won't be able to call me. Because now they're pissing me off. So I'm gonna bring this and I gotta connect y'all to my little tripod. And here's my little case. I think I'm gonna just bring my whole person side. Because why not, right? It's so hot. Alright, I got a big cart so y'all can see me better. Because the other little carts don't have the flat surface to put my tripod. So I can't, you know. I gotta be careful this thing don't fall.
You guided me to see the truth that's in your better plan, to be a servant in your light example as the lamp is bright, standing tall.
$4 for one jalapeno. Real cute. Put that there. I want to get what's over here first though. Y'all lost me for a second, chat. Y'all lost me. I'm trying to hide y'all. Oh, she said 2 onions. Hey guys, I'm back. My hair look a mess. Anyways, I didn't show the whole thing because it was just too much recording. Like, it's too much work with the recording and then trying to remember what you need and da-da-da-da. I got a little extra stuff, obviously. That's what everybody does. You go there for one thing, you come out with a bunch, okay? So yeah, but I'm going home now and I'm gonna start cooking fast because it's already 4:26 p.m. and I just wanna hurry up. Good thing, all of this stuff is not gonna take that long, to be honest. This right here, I'm about to try right now. Alright, y'all, I'm home and comfortable. So, I have all my stuff out, as you can see. I put some water and chicken broth to boil for my noodles, for the Big Mac and cheese. Because that's what I do for the noodles. Chicken broth. That's what gives it the taste. I got olive oil. That's for the... No, I don't need it for that, I think. Just to have. Sour cream for the Big Mac. Butter, half and half. heavy cream, the cheeses, of course. I didn't even show you what I got. I got Monterey Jack, whatever, Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, and Munster cheese. So I'm gonna shred all of those and put it in the Big Mac. I'm gonna use half of each cube though because I'm not doing the whole box. I'm only doing a small pan of baked mac and cheese, which is gonna be in here. Small little dish. I'll probably make more tomorrow, who knows, but I don't have the big pan, the aluminum pan to do it. So before we get started, I'm gonna try that drink and my coffee. And then I got a blueberry with blackberry whipped cream because I still didn't get the Chobani blueberry one, which I want, but they ran out of it. So hey, I think you shake it right. Espresso roast with whole milk, frothy, creamy, lactose free vanilla latte, coffee workshop. This is LA Cologne, something like that. I need to see how to pronounce this because I'm looking crazy right now. But I don't know if you shake it, just go like that. And I'm happy I remembered to get ice. Just cut it. Quick ASMR. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the one I tried before. The I won't pop a picture, but I want to try with the whipped cream, but the ice is all up in the way. Let's try this. This is gonna be one long cooking vlog. I'll tell you that much. Oh, it broke. What happened? That's weird. It's not working. That's weird. Wow, what a waste. I bought a red one too, the regular whipped cream. And then my dog over here looking at me because he wants some. Fiend. You a fiend. I be you my daughter, so I might be squirting in her mouth. Let's see. It's good, but it's not as sweet as I would like it. It's good though. I like my drink sweet. It has a weird aftertaste though, but it's good. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna have this cool still while I'm chopping up the stuff that I need. And I went to the one supermarket, Wegmans. I didn't go to Price Right, so I got the frozen totones. These, I don't care. Don't even. Because who's on Price Right? Not me. I don't like making different trips. Then I got green onions. I don't know why I got it, to be honest. What else? Jerk sauce for next time, because I love making rasta pasta. Sirloin steak. That is going to be put to wash right now. So that goes up there. My noodles. My water should be boiling soon. So just going to do some noodles. I think I'm going to do half of it. Let me measure it. Because they swell up. Honestly, I think that's good. Because they swell up. So if I put all the cheese in and all that, I don't want it to be overflow. So I go shred it now. I got mayonnaise. And this for the dog. Oh, mama, I got chocolate syrup. I got chocolate syrup too. For ice cream with the steak. Oh, and then black beans. I got black beans. I forgot. Onions, lime, tomato, red pepper, green pepper. Oh, she got food.
I know, but she's still telling.
Oh, and Alani drinks for my mother because she like these. So I'm gonna start cooking a little bit, just so I won't make the video too long. I'm gonna get to y'all when I start chopping the stuff. Alright, I'm back. I'm putting some coconut, some toasted coconut in here. Because I like my drinks sweet. And I don't want to waste a drink because it's not sweet. So time to chop. I'm going to chop and then put everything in here. And then this is just going to be seasoned. So while I'm cutting, matter of fact, I'm just going to let this clean. If I could open it, I wish I had gloves. I don't like touching meat like this. Go ahead and do your best, shorty, I don't.
Get up talking about hi baby.
I was making black beans too. Part. I'm gonna start crying in a little bit. What happened?
I hope you get that table soon. That joint is strong. They said don't cut the ends. Cut it in the middle. And then
Damn, I was gonna do that too. I was gonna cut it in the middle. Why it kicks in so fast? Damn.
ooh. That.
And I got makeup on. It's making it worse.
You guided me to see the truth that's in your better plan. To be a servant in your light example as the lamp is bright. Standing tall and pointing to the inner man. To circumstance, the word reveals the path. That the girds in the firmer stance. To praise the good and righteous one that manifested as the lamb. You lived the life that I couldn't. Now holding you, I'm enduring. My pursuance is you and will always be. My eyes are steady, your plan for me. The message of those who can hardly breathe. Just know that his grace is set in reach. With nothing left to say, I'm moving on. Moving on. The woman that he's got could be there right in front of me. So what am I crying for? Oh. brothers. I do not count myself to have laid hold of it yet, but only this, forgetting what is behind and reaching out for what lies ahead. I press on toward the goal for the prize of the high calling of Elohim, the Messiah Yahusha.
I'm moving on. I'll go. Living how I know. You got a plan for me, so I'm moving on. You go. I'll go. Living how I know. You got a plan for me, so I'm moving
This is how it's looking right now. These are the black beans. And then I'm frying the totones. Alright, so I burnt the top a little bit, but I'm taking it off a little bit. But other than that, it tastes beastie. Stop playing on me. And can one of y'all tell me why the cheese does that? What cheese did I use that does that? I don't know. I don't like that. But it tastes good though.